Energy in, noise out. Day one journey episode 2313. Good morning. This is 5:39 in the morning. Today's quote: energy in, noise out. Comes from the powerful diamond, the power within me, who cares about my mental and physical energy. This is the reminder, and I can do it with a breathing exercise. Energy in, noise out. Focus on the energy that I have, and I can eliminate all the noise, all the things that I do that don't really help me. Whether it's to watch YouTube or TV or too many movies or eating stuff that don't really help me. Instead, energy in, focus on the limited energies that I have, and do the most important things with it. Take care. See you tomorrow.